In this video, I am going to show you step by step how to make a public profile on Snapchat. So, watch the video till the very end to learn how to make a public profile on Snapchat. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. So the first thing that you have to do to create a public profile is to open the Snapchat app on your phone. This method is the same for both Android and iPhone users, so don't worry about it. Now, click on the profile icon on the top left corner of the Snapchat app. After that, scroll down and you might see a section called Public Profile. If you don't have that option, don't worry. Do the next steps that I'm going to show you in this video and you will get that option. So to get that option, go to Settings by clicking on this option on the top right corner of your profile. Then, scroll down to the section called Who Can. What you have to do now is to change all these settings to Everyone. So first click on Contact Me and then choose Everyone. Then go back and change all these settings to Everyone, like the previous one. Now, as we have changed all these settings, let's go back to our profile and check if the Public Profile option has been enabled. So go back to your profile and refresh it. Now, scroll down and you could see that the Public Profile option has been enabled. So click on the Create Public Profile option right here, and you will be taken to this page. When you create a public account, any snaps that you send to the Spotlight or Snap Map will show your name, and anyone viewing your snaps will be able to subscribe to your account. Now, click on Continue, and then Get Started. Now, click on Create, and your Snapchat public profile will be created. Now, click on My Public Profile to view and edit your profile. You can make changes to your public profile by clicking on this Edit Profile button right here. You can add a profile photo, enter a description, change location settings, and you can also choose to show your subscriber count to the public. After making the changes, go back to your public profile and click on Preview Profile to see what your profile will look like when somebody checks it out. So that's how you can make a public profile on Snapchat. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you got anything valuable from this video, make sure to leave a like down below. And if you want more of these videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications to get notified whenever I upload a new video like this. I will see you soon. Bye.